Insuperable is an adjective that describes something impossible to overcome or conquer. It often refers to obstacles, challenges, or difficulties that seem insurmountable, whether physical, emotional, or conceptual. The origins of insuperable. The word insuperable comes from the Latin insuperabilis, formed from in, not, and superare, to overcome or surpass. Its roots suggest a challenge that cannot be surpassed, emphasizing its sense of impossibility. The term entered the English language in the late Middle Ages and has retained its formal and evocative tone. How to use insuperable? Insuperable is commonly used in formal writing or speech to describe barriers or difficulties that cannot be defeated or resolved. Example sentences. Despite their best efforts, the explorers faced insuperable odds and had to turn back. Her fear of public speaking seemed insuperable until she sought professional help. The financial constraints proved to be an insuperable obstacle for the project. Similar words: insurmountable, impossible to overcome, unconquerable, not able to be defeated or controlled, impassable, unable to be traveled through or crossed, overwhelming, so great as to be difficult or impossible to overcome. Nuances of insuperable. Insuperable carries a tone of finality or inevitability, emphasizing that the challenge described is beyond human effort or ability to resolve. It is often used to convey a sense of futility or frustration, but can also inspire admiration for efforts made despite such odds. Cultural and philosophical context. In literature and philosophy, insuperable is frequently used to describe human struggles with fate, morality, or existential dilemmas. It captures the poignancy of facing challenges that test limits and endurance. In essence, insuperable is a word of gravity and depth, highlighting the daunting nature of obstacles that push individuals to their limits, whether they ultimately overcome them or not.